Here I come. I haven't recorded for a few days because, well, you know, sometimes you just don't record. How are you all? I had some eggs today, but as you can see, quite a bit of poo on the boo going on here. Hey, let me take a look at you. Before I let them out, every morning I just sort of take a quick look, see if I see anything, weird or outrageous. For instance, Sweepy's not here. That means Sweepy's downstairs in the nesting box. Let's come on out. Okay, come on. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Get on out there. They always go running out here to eat the grass, and then also that's usually where I toss things. Hey, come on now. Come on now, Phoenix. Sweepy, are you in here? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you laying an egg? Did you already lay the egg and you're just sitting on it? Or are we still waiting for it? Well, I'm going to leave this open. Maybe she'll finish real quick, huh? What do you think? There was chicken poop in the nesting box when they were done. So, you know what I bet happened? I bet you whoever did it knew they had to lay an egg, but didn't realize they also needed to go to the bathroom first. So they probably went to the bathroom in there and then sat down and laid their egg. Yeah. Because if you don't know this already, chickens poop and lay eggs out of the same location. That's right. That's right. They poop out eggs that are delicious. So the chickens that I have with the cleanest butts, the least problem with any poo on the boo, is PK and Trinity. And they are the black sex-link chickens. Another reason for me to get them again. Definitely. No, I'm not going to get any more barred Plymouth Rock. I'm not. You guys are great, but you just have issues. I have to use clippers to clip off dried poop all the time. Yeah, my next flock's just going to be you. You and maybe some more Easter eggers. Yeah. I do like popcorn. She's so good. I did a minor change to the chicken run. I had 2 stumps there, and I went ahead and moved one into this corner because in the summer I'm going to want that there for their second waterer anyway, and I want it to, them to already be used to it. So I dug up that land there, kind of smoothed it out, got it so it wouldn't tip over, took the other stump out, it's out there, and put their favorite bench back in. I also put this bowl here. It looks like I need to move it. She can still eat out of it. Yeah, look at her. She's trying to get closer to it. Okay, so I'm going to take that bowl and I'm going to move it over one rung. They still love this upside down, sideways chair perch thingy. They all love it. And I'm glad I thought of it. I did buy these on purpose for the run, but it never dawned on me until I was standing here going, what do I have that would be longer, and I turned it on its side. And I was like, duh. Trinity, if you go around, instead of sticking your head through there, doofus, dork. Boy, everybody's happy right now. I don't want to say that too loud. Why is everybody in there? Let me step back here. Everyone is in the extended run. I'm all alone in the original kennel run. And there's nobody over there either. So now we're all just going to We're all just going to hang out here.